Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be about cooking. Yay! You know I love to cook, yes. Yay! Yes, I love to cook. And guess what we're cooking today? I'm showing you how you can make a spicy, delicious Nigerian fish pepper soup. Very fresh. So if you want to know how to cook a Nigerian fresh pepper soup, then keep watching while I take you along with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification button so each time I upload a video, you'll be the first to see. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, so for this fresh fish pepper soup we're going to be making today, I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm going to be using for this video. So first of all, I have my fish already cleaned, and ready for this pepper soup. So that's the fish I'm going to be using. I have my blended onion and pepper. I already blended it out like a few minutes ago. So this is ready to use. I have my pepper soup spice. If you're a Nigerian or an African, you already know what this is because it's a combination of like 4 different spices. So if you go to the African store or sometimes the Chinese store or the Mexican store, you can find some of these items over there. You buy them and you just blend them and that's it. It's ready to use. Then I have my Maggi powder as my seasoning. Then finally, I have my salt to taste. So these are the items I'm going to be using today. So sometimes I just like to add parsley leaf just because I know it's a healthy, thing, so I just like to add it once in a while, but it's not necessary. So if you don't want to use it, you can just skip this. Okay, so let's get started. Now I have my pot on the fire and it's already on and there's water in the pot trying to heat up. So once the water starts boiling, I'm going to add my fish into the water. Okay, so right now it's boiling a little bit. So as you can see, the steam is coming out. So I'm just going to go ahead. I already put my fish already. I just put my fish. So I'm going to go ahead to put a little salt to taste. I always like to put a little Maggi, the powder stock, so they can all boil together. So at this time, since it's already boiling a little bit, I'm going to add my blended pepper and onion so they can all boil together. So now I'm going to let this boil for like 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to go back to put the other. So as you can see, it's already boiling. So I'm going to give it a good stir. I'm going to give it a good stir right now. And this smells good. So the next ingredients I'm going to be putting, it's going to be the pepper soup spices that is already blended out. So this is what it looked like. I showed you already before. I'm just going to put some, try to make sure I mix it all around so it can go everywhere. So after putting the pepper soup spices, I'm going to leave it to boil again for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll check back on it. Oh, so as you can see, it's boiling. So it's cooking and woo. So this is gonna have some of this. Yeah, it smells really good and it looks really good. I like it. So right now at this point, I'm gonna taste to see for salt and Maggi to see if I have enough. So I'm going to get my teaspoon and I'm going to get the big spoon and I'm going to take a little bit from the big spoon This tastes really good. This tastes really good. It tastes really good. So it's almost ready. So everything is already in here. Everything you need to put is in here. The ingredients are really easy to get. If you can go where you can find it. This is how easy to make a Nigerian spicy fresh fish pepper soup. It's really easy to cook. It's not so hard. It's not difficult. As far as you have your ingredients, it's so show you how. So I'm done with the food, and I'm gonna go ahead to show you the final look. So this is the final look. You can enjoy your fresh catfish pepper soup with either water or a glass of juice or a red wine, depending on what you want. I have two methods I normally use for pepper soup. The first method is the one I just used now, which of course I use the spices. The second method is the one I do without the spices. So if you want me to show you the second method that I use in making this fresh fish pepper soup, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to click on the notification buttons and share my video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.